Alright, hello universe, welcome to Angels AI, and let's get started with our new topic. And for that we have to make another file, so let's quickly do that. We are going to create 8.html, and this time we don't want any CSS file extra. We'll just have the internal CSS here. Alright, so we're keeping the body empty so that you can apply colors. Okay, so colors, we're exploring colors. This is the second video we are exploring the colors with. And inside the style we are going to call the body, and for the body we're going to call background color. Okay, and this time we are going to understand that there are a lot of hexadecimal values for the colors. Yes, you heard that right. What you have to do is just go on to the Chrome and type in CSS colors. As you do it, you get this first website. Yeah, and when you open this, okay, let me full the screen. Alright, so there are so many of hexadecimal values. Okay, so what are we going to do? We are going to learn them, but we are not going to learn the all those color formats, all the hexadecimal values. No, we are not going to do that. Even every programmer does not need to know all those hexadecimal values. They just need to know the format, and then it's all okay. So what you have to do is that, what is hexadecimal? This format is something like this. Okay, so you have to apply the hash one. Okay, first you have to write the hash, and then two values of red. Alright, and then two digit value of green, and then 2-digit value of blue. This is the mixture where every color has their own shade, right? RGB. Double R stands for the 2-digit number, means it can go till 99 the last. Okay, and green can also go till the 99 last, and the blue can also go 99 last. Alright, so what we have to do, this is the format. Okay, this is something that displays black, and this is something that displays white. Okay, so if you try to do this, alright, so if you try to do this, the color code, okay, so this is, as you can see, it has come across to be black. Alright, what if I give this color to be this one? And why there are so many FFs? Because it is the format where you want to show that you have not set any value for either not R, not G, not blue. Means not for any red color, not for any green color, not for any blue color. It's just the two values are it's empty. This is also empty. This is also empty, which means you want to plot white color, or you can say it can be transparent. So this is something that you should know. Other than that, you can what you can do is to go down to this website, and as you can see, you can actually change, as you can see. Okay, so if we put these values to be 0, alright, if we put these values to be 0, okay, so what are we going to do is that if I want to keep this value to be, let's say I'm going to keep this to be 13, and I'm going to keep this value, let's say 14, to be green, and let's increase the value of the blue. This time let's create this to be 96, so that is giving us the blue shade. What if I just increase the green color as well? It is going on to the green shade. Okay, and what if I increase the red value as well? Not complete red, it has gone to this light, you can say as orange color, right? What if I just do this? It will turn completely white. So that is how RGB gets into. So you can play with this scroll bars, and you can get onto how many color values are there. So this is something. And yeah, most importantly, what if I just keep this green and blue to be at their 0, and I only increase the red one? Yeah, it will only get into red. Alright, and what if I just increase only the green? Only green will open. And see, as you can see, only green means the green values are containing FF. And what if I do this with blue? The blue values are turning into blue. Alright, so you will have to play with it in order to understand how our hexadecimal values are there. Okay, so when you just a moment, yeah, background color, if you go on to this, and as you can see, if you let me maximize, okay, background color, and as you can see, there are a lot of hexadecimal values can be there. Okay, why is it not showing right now? Maybe it should show. Why is it not getting? Just a moment. Oh yeah, because you are not in the what you can say, in the new CSS file. So what if I'm just editing the last lectures file in order to show you that, yes, so here as you have seen that there are hexadecimal values for each color, so you can also go on to this, okay, in order to understand how many colors have what hexadecimal value of their CSS color. So that was it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much.